Oh no! Ah, looks like your team lost. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, Crystal Palace. Yeah. You know, you can't win every game. I know, but we never will win any games. Well, might as well get regulated, says the Burnley fan. Alright. Well, I guess you better be going. Isn't there tea party for the next hour? You guys can have it by yourself. I'm in date depression. My club is not doing good. Date depression. Date depression. So I guess you guys are still doing the tea party? Well, of course we are. Like, why wouldn't we? Yeah, we can trash talk about West Ham now that Tweeter's gone. It's hilarious because his team is barely ahead of Manchester United. Sylvester, I don't think I can even live in the world anymore with West Ham losing to Crystal Palace. I can't even imagine it. And Burnley are falling in like 7th place right now. Oh my god, I need to see what West Ham United is. Oh! Oh, what's his problem? His team just lost to the great Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace is terrible. Well, excuse me, princess. Alright, Link, you're getting a little weird, alright? To take you back to the mental hospital. Well, excuse. This is Chicken McFinger Puppet reporting live from the Premier League action. Crystal Palace defeat West Ham 2-1 as Crystal Palace pick up their first away win this season. And at this point, there is no hope for West Ham. Their only hope is to get 17th, one spot above regulation, and to go up against Burnley. They're not going to beat Burnley. Burnley's going to beat them in the Premier League. It's going to be obvious. And I think it's obvious to even all the West Ham fans, and they have to accept it. It's obvious. And there's no hope. There's no turning back. They're never going to become Premier League champions. They won't make the Leicester City comeback. And it's really obvious. This is Chicken McFinger Puppet signing off. And I'll see you guys in the next news report coming in 29 minutes from now. Bye. No. No, this cannot be happening right now. This is like the worst any team has ever sunk in the world. What's wrong, Tweety Bird? Is West Ham not good enough for you? This means war, Sylvester. I'm declare war on your precious Burnley. We're gonna take Benjamin Moy. We're gonna take Nick Pope. We're gonna take all of your players. Who do you have? Fully Barnes. You make me chuckle. You make me chuckle, mate. You know who we have, huh? Who do you have? We have Pablo Zabaleta, and he's gonna destroy your precious Burnley. Oh yeah, let's make this war, huh? Let's make this war. I'm gonna get my boxing gloves, and we're gonna be in the undercard of KFC versus Logan Paul. The swift punches, swift moves, stopping moves. Oh yeah, well all I need is Paul Zabaleta, and he's gonna destroy you. Oh yeah, this is gonna go down. There's a better way. Who are you?
I am a sidekick, and I can see to the future to see who wins the Premier League this season, so you don't have to fight in the undercard of KSI vs. Logan Paul.
How much money?
$20,000 per customer.
Sweet, let's do it. Yeah, it'll determine once and for all who's gonna win the league and who's gonna do better. Small versus West Ham United. Let's go. What do you see, almighty great one?
I see something very interesting.
What is it?
Another $20,000.
Alright, here's the money.
Alright. The winner of the Premier League is going to be West Ham United.
Yes! Oh, crap.
Burnley's going to come in second.
Well, that's pretty sweet. This seems suspicious. Yeah, where's United gonna finish?
Another $20,000. Why, Nego? United are going to place last.
Alright, it's pretty predictable then. Yeah. Oh, wow, thank you, great one.
No problemo.
Well, thanks for that. Bye.
You can always change the future, though. You can change it.
But how?
Support for your team. Do exactly what you're doing, and it can change.
That's pretty cool, mister. Come on, Sylvester, let's go.
Ow!
Oh, wow, this is so epic.
Well, he said we could change it, right? We can change where there's positions, right?
Yeah. And I'm gonna get first place for Precious Burnley.
Oh yeah, well I'm gonna keep possession for West Ham United, and you're gonna say it, alright?
Alright, yeah, let's battle.
Yeah, let's battle, huh?
Ow, that really hurt. Yeah, oh, I think it's a draw.
Oh, just like the case that was Logan Paul battle. Anyways, there's one solution.
What's that solution?
There's gonna be a straw poll in the description and the pinned comment, and it will determine who is better, West Ham United or Burnley.
Oh, this is gonna be a huge battle.
Yes, it will. So vote now.
Vote for West Ham United. No, vote for Burnley, the greatest team ever.
With Ashley Barnes. well, Philippe Anderson is on the team, and Marco Naudovic used to.
I want to battle some more.
Oh yes, I want to battle some more.